Hey guys, welcome back. So, as you are aware, I have started a series on Azure, and I'm going to compare that Azure with AWS and its services. Right. So here in this video, we are going to discuss the free tier limitations and account creation process. So when coming to Amazon Web Services, as you know, AWS is giving 12 months free tier eligibility. To view that, just navigate to aws.amazon.com/free and you can find the free tier services here. So the AWS mechanism is they're going to take a particular configuration inside a service and they will allow us to use it for 12 months and you're not going to get charged anything. For example, if you're taking EC2, you're going to get T2 micro comes under free tier eligibility. Other than that T2 micro, you are allowed to go and launch any other categories also, but you need to pay for that used resources. However, some services are always free and some services comes under free trials. Right, so similar manner, we are going to get free tier limitation for our Azure accounts also. In Azure also, we have always free services, 25 plus services are always free, and some services are 12 months free. On top of this, Azure is going to give us $200 worthy credits or approximately 13,000 rupees worth the credits, and you can go and use that credits to explore any of the service or any configuration. So if you are trying to explore something with a higher configuration than the 12 months free tier eligible one, yes, you can use the $200 worth the credits. So that you can find under Azure free account. It's not AWS. Azure free account. So you can go to this Azure free account frequently asked questions. So you can see that here the creating account is free and click on see the list of free services. So you can find the services here. For example, let's concentrate on this virtual machines. So you're going to get a configuration called B1S burstable virtual machine and for 12 months. So every month you can use for 750 hours. That means you can use one EC2 instance for an entire month and you still have some hours left. So this value, this resources, you will get it for 12 months. Right, so another one, you're going to get a virtual machine with Windows also. It's going to be 12 months free. Right, so just similar to our free tier limitation. So, but what is the advantage here we are going to get with Azure, right? So we are going to get $1,200 worth the credits to spend in first 30 days. So 30 days from the account creation date. All right. If you want to see full offer terms, you click on full offer terms and you can find here the country, currency and everything you can find it here. All right. So that's the comparison between AWS free tier limitation to Azure free tier limitation. And another major difference between this account creation, right? While you are creating an AWS account, you need to choose a support plan. As you are aware, we have basic support plan, we have developer support plan, business support plan, and enterprise support plan. Right. So similar way, we have an option called subscriptions in our Azure. So while creating an account or after creating an account, you need to activate a subscription. So there, make sure you need to select free tier. Right. So yeah, let's jump in and let's start creating this Azure account. So the URL is pretty simple one. It's a portal.azure.com. Navigate to portal.azure.com, and here it's asking for sign in, but we don't have an account, right? So click on create one and then just go ahead and um, give your Gmail ID. You really don't need to have any corporate ID. So then click on next, and you need to create a password. And we are going to get a code to this given email ID, and we need to enter that code here. This is a code. It's a pretty simple one. 9527. Okay, I would like to get offers and notifications. Click on next, and all right, saying please solve a puzzle. Ah, I'm not a robot. Pick the one square that shows two identical objects. All right, I think these are the two identical objects, right? Yeah. Okay. Pick one square that shows two identical objects. Again, uh, I think the same one. Okay, so here, which one? Yeah. Hmm. Do I need to select five? All right, that's okay. Now Microsoft is trusting I'm a human being. I'm not a bot. Right. Okay. So that's it. Azure account creation is now completed. All right. So then what next? So we need to add a subscription. Without subscription, you cannot do anything here. So we first need to add a subscription here. When you just navigate below, you can find subscriptions option. Otherwise, you always have a search option here. You just simply go here and search for subscriptions. Click on subscriptions. So then, and it's saying your current access does not include permission to view any subscriptions. Fine, first of all, I don't have any subscription. Right, so click on add. So then, as I told you, we have some options, right? So go with the free trial. Click on try Azure for free. So then the payment option will come. Now the sign up process started. So I need to give all my first name, last name, my address, company information, the credit card information, debit card information. So all those things now I need to start entering. You see here what is a country. You need to select that, and you see that I told you that 13,000 worthy credits we are going to get it right. So it's a 13,300 credit to use in first 30 days, and 40 plus services are always free, and some popular services for 12 months. This is just like a AWS 12 months free trial limitation, and some services like SQS and all, we will get it for free for a number of days, right? So that comes under this, and this is an advantage we are going to get from this Microsoft Azure. And yeah, so here I need to fill up this information, and the next step I need to perform the identity verification by providing my credit card and debit card information. So what I will do, I'm going to fill up this information, and so then the next video we're going to start discussing about the actual technical service comparison between Azure and AWS, and how we can do it in Azure. So then I'll try to compare it with AWS or a similar service. All right. I hope you find this video a bit helpful. Thanks for watching. See you again, guys.